Chapter 8 Friction. Whenever a tendency exists for one contacting surface to slide along another surface, tangential force is generated between contacting surface. This force, which opposes the movement or tendency of movement, is called a frictional force or simply friction. Note: when two bodies in contact are in motion, then the frictional force is opposite to the relative motion. Cause of friction: microscopic projections get interlocked to a small extent. The material of two bodies in contact also produces resistance to motion due to intramolecular force of attraction. Types of friction: dry friction. Dry friction develops when the unlubricated surface of two solids are in contact under the condition of sliding or a tendency to slide, also known as Coulomb friction. Fluid friction. Fluid friction develops when adjacent layers in a fluid, liquid, or gas are moving at different velocities. Note: fluid friction depends not only on the velocity gradients within the fluid but also on viscosity of fluid. Mechanism of friction: block of weight W resting on a horizontal surface. Horizontal applied force. Contacting surface possesses a certain amount of roughness. Frictional force F hath the remarkable property of adjusting itself in magnitude equal to the applied force P till the limiting equilibrium condition. Note: as applied force P increases, the frictional force F is equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. However, there is a limit beyond which magnitude of frictional force cannot be increased. If the applied force is more than this maximum frictional force, there will be movement of one body over the other. Once the body begins to move, there is a decrease in frictional force F from maximum value observed under static condition. Limiting frictional force: it is the maximum frictional force developed at the surface when the block is at the verge of motion. Dynamic friction: the frictional force between the two surfaces when the body is in motion is called kinetic or dynamic friction. Coefficient of friction: by experimental evidence, it is proved that limiting frictional force is directly proportional to normal reaction. F maximum proportional to N. F maximum is equal to mu s into N. Mu s is equals to F maximum divided by N. Coefficient of static friction: ratio of limiting frictional force F maximum and normal reaction N is a constant. This constant is called the coefficient of static friction. F maximum proportional to N. F maximum is equals to mu s into N. Mu s is equals to F maximum divided by N. Coefficient of kinetic friction: ratio of kinetic frictional force Fk and normal reaction N is a constant. This constant is known as coefficient of kinetic friction. Fk proportional to N. Fk is equals to mu k into N. Mu k is equals to Fk divided by N. Kinetic friction is always less than limiting friction. Laws of friction: along with above points, we have frictional force is independent of the area of contact between the two surfaces. Frictional force is independent of the speed of the body. Coefficient of static friction mu s is always greater than the coefficient of kinetic friction mu k. Angle of friction: it is the angle made by the resultant of the limiting frictional force F maximum and the normal reaction N with the normal reaction. Phi is the angle of friction. F maximum is equals to R sin phi. Mu s into N is equals to R sin phi. N is equals to R cos phi. Dividing equation 1 by equation 2, we get tan phi is equals to mu s, or phi is equals to tan inverse mu s. Angle of repose: it is the minimum angle of inclination of a plane with the horizontal at which the body cat will just slide down on it without application of any external force due to self-weight. This angle theta is called the angle of repose. For limiting equilibrium condition, we have summation of forces in F is equals to 0 mu s into N minus W sin theta is equals to 0. W sin theta is equals to mu s into N. Summation of forces in Y is equals to 0. N minus W cos theta is equals to 0. W cos theta is equals to N. Dividing equation 1 by equation 2, we get tan theta is equals to mu s. From previous discussion, we have tan phi is equals to mu s. Angle of friction phi is equals to angle of repose theta. Angle of repose is independent of the weight of the body and it depends on mu s. Cone of friction: If the direction of applied force P is gradually changed through 360 degrees, the resultant R generates a right circular cone with semi-vertex angle equal to phi. This is called the cone of friction. ग्राफ ऑफ अप्लाइड फोर्स वर्सेस फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. हम एक्सटर्नल फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, जो फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स है वो उसके इक्वल है और अपोजिट है, मगर एक लिमिट है फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स की. अगर हम एक्सटर्नल फोर्स को और ज़्यादा अप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी मूव कर जाती है, और जो फ्रिक्शन फोर्स है वो हमारी डिक्रीज हो जाती है जब हमारी बॉडी मूव कर जाती है तब. Types of friction problem. Here we have three possibilities. Frictional force is less than F maximum. Body is in static equilibrium condition, which means body is purely at rest. There is neither the condition of impending motion nor that of motion. Frictional force is equals to F maximum. Body is in limiting equilibrium condition, which means impending motion on the verge of slipping, and hence F is equals to F maximum is equals to mu into N is valid equation. Frictional force is greater than F maximum. Kinetic friction. Body is in motion, which means F is equals to Fk is valid equation. This condition is impossible since the surfaces cannot support more force than the maximum frictional force. Therefore, the assumption of equilibrium is invalid. The motion occurs. Application of friction. Running vehicle is controlled by applying brake to its tire because of friction. Vehicle does not slip due to appropriate friction between tire and the road. It is difficult to walk on oily or soapy floor. One can walk comfortably on the floor because of proper gripping between floor and the sole of the shoes. Belt and pulley arrangement permits loading and unloading of load effectively because of suitable friction. Lift moves smoothly without slipping due to proper rope and pulley friction combination. A simple lifting machine like screw jack functions effectively based on principle of wedge friction. Wedge are taper-shaped block with very less angle which are used for lifting or shifting or holding the heavy block by very less effort is called a wedge. Belt or rope friction. Transmission of power through belt drive. Belts are extensively used to transmit power from one shaft to another shaft. Note: shaft of pulley A rotates the pulley which then drives the pulley B due to the belt which runs around the two pulleys. Their working is dependent on the friction acting between the pulley surface and belt surface. The belts may be flat belt, V belt, or circular rope belt. Types of flat belts. Open belt drive, cross belt drive. Open belt drive. Shafts are placed parallel to each other and both the pulleys rotate in the same direction. Note: driver pulley is keyed to the rotating shaft. Driven pulley is keyed to the shaft which is to be rotated. Belt is pulled by the driver from lower side and delivered to the upper side. This results in higher tension on the lower side than upper side. Velocity ratio. It is defined as the ratio of the velocity of the driven follower to the velocity of the driver. Let n1 is equals to speed of the driver in rpm. d1 is equals to diameter of the